Good evening, meteorologist Caleb Seaver here with a look at your evening forecast. We're going to start off by looking at our weather headlines. We're expecting a hot next few days, that's our big story, but a quiet weekend ahead, and as always in September, we're keeping an eye on the tropics. So let's start off by taking a look at those temperatures outside right now. As you can see across much of the area, we're still in the 80s at this 7 o'clock hour. 87 in Lucedale, 82 down in Pascagoula, 83 in Molino, 82 over in Pensacola. So still feeling pretty warm this evening, but as we go throughout the day tomorrow, we expect to be even hotter. As we look at the forecast highs across the area, 94 in Leakesville, 92 in Lucedale, 88 down in Pascagoula, 92 in Mobile, 88 in Fairhope, 94 in Evergreen, a little cooler, closer to the coast, with 90 in Pensacola, 90 in Fort Walton. So, with these hot temperatures, we're going to talk about the feels like temperatures. This is when you factor in the humidity. What does it feel like to your body when you walk outside? Well, over the next few days, it's going to be feeling really hot. Triple digits Friday and Saturday, feeling like 100. But by the time we get to early next week, we do see those numbers start to drop off back into the upper 90s by next week. So it's going to be a hot next few days. But by the time we get into early next week, we do see a little relief from that heat. The bad news is over the next few days, we don't really see any chances from rain to help with that either. As we look across the area, we see not much going on here at 7:10 p.m. One little shower up near Andalusia to the west of Enterprise, but other than that, we are very quiet on the radar. And as we go throughout the rest of the week, don't really expect to see any higher rain chances as well. So if you're going to spend any time outside tonight, it will be dry. Clear skies expected overnight. Rain chances at 0%. Temperatures only falling, though, into the upper 70s by 11 p.m., so it's going to be feeling pretty muggy out there. The good news is, with that lack of rain chances and hot temperatures, it's going to be a great weekend to head down to the Gulf Coast. Beaches looking great. Low rip current risk all weekend. The only big threat to you is that high UV index. So if you're going to go head to the beach, just make sure to be wearing some sunscreen. But other than that, looks like a great weekend to head to the beach. So let's talk about the tropics. Not much going on in the Gulf or Atlantic. As you can see, no active systems, no area of development anywhere near the U.S. We do have one area we're keeping an eye on way out in the central Atlantic, kind of between Africa and South America. And the National Hurricane Center does give this a 90% chance of development over the next 7 days, developing into a hurricane, tropical storm, something of that nature. But it's far, far away from land, and we don't expect it to impact really any part of the U.S. or the Gulf at all until the earliest, the end of next week. But even then, it's a long way out. This could change a lot. No threat to the Gulf or U.S. at this time, but we're going to be keeping an eye on it just in case. Taking a look at your 7-day forecast, other than those hot conditions, really looks pretty good. Sunny skies to low rain chances over the next 7 days. Temperatures in the mid-90s over the next few days, cooling back into the upper 80s by next week. Low temperatures in the lower 70s, falling down into the upper 60s by next week.